Crazy Easy Keto. Keto cooking that's crazy easy. Hey guys, Cass here, and welcome back to another helping of Crazy Easy Keto. I know it's been like forever since I recorded anything, but I am finally back in the kitchen with a new video for you guys. So today we are actually taking one of my favorite recipes that my grandma used to make for me and making a keto version of it. Today we are making a keto Dutch baby. And for those of you who haven't heard of a Dutch baby, it's basically like a giant pancake that we make in a pie pan. So the first thing we want to do is we've got 2 tablespoons of butter in our pan here. And we've got our oven preheated to 400 degrees. And we're just going to pop the pan and the butter into the oven so it melts really quick. Okay, so we pop that into the oven real quick, and now we're going to get the rest of our ingredients. We've got 2 eggs here. And then all the other things that we need are just a half cup of almond flour, a half cup of almond milk, and as you can see, you want the unsweetened. It doesn't really matter what flavor. I probably wouldn't use like the chocolate, but the vanilla is fine, or just the plain is also fine. And then we're also going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And that's it, guys. It's really that easy. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to whisk these eggs up real quick, because you really don't want to mix this any more than you have to, just a little bit to get everything incorporated. I got a 1/4 teaspoon for our salt. There we go. Just a little dash of salt. In we go. And now a half cup of, first the almond flour. Now our almond milk, which this is a brand new thing, so I gotta break the seal here, guys. I should have done that in advance. Okay. And as always, I'm spilling. Okay, so there's that. And then we just mix it up just until it's mixed together. It's gonna look thin. It's not gonna look like a typical pancake batter. This is just fine, just enough to get it mixed together. Okay, and then we're just gonna grab our pan out of the oven and see if that butter is melted. All right, so now that butter's melted, all we're gonna do is just take a basting brush and just kind of brush it around the bottom and the sides. And yeah, it's gonna kind of pool at the bottom more than coming up the sides. You just kind of wanna run it up there to try and keep it from sticking to the pan. Okay, so now that we've got that good and coated, now we're just gonna pour our mixture in here and then put this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. If you have kids, they're going to want to watch this in the oven because it gets huge and puffy and it's really fun. Honestly, half the time I still watch it while it bakes. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven and we'll be back in a half hour when it's ready. Well, it's out of the oven, but it didn't puff up quite like I was expecting, and it kind of stuck to the pan. So I'm gonna give this a taste test, and yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so a Dutch baby, you can top it a few different ways. You can put sugar-free syrup on it, or berries are also good. My personal favorite though is to take some lemon juice and powdered sugar substitute. So that's what I've got here on mine that I'm gonna try a bite of here. We will see how it is. It tastes good. It just didn't puff up. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hungry for more? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a helping of Crazy Easy Keto. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Peace.